In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emotions in Elevenlabs to make your AI-generated voice sound more natural. Let's dive right in. Begin by logging into your Elevenlabs account and heading over to the text-to-speech section. Now, you might notice that there's no explicit emotion feature in Elevenlabs. But don't worry, I'll show you how to work around that to achieve voices brimming with emotion using different models provided by Elevenlabs. To get started, you'll want to navigate to Voice Settings. There you'll find the model option. Go ahead and click on the box just below it. Once you've done that, select Show All Models to reveal the full list of options available to us. Let's walk through these models together so you can understand how each one affects voice emotion and tone. First up, we have the 11 Multilingual V2 high-quality model. This particular model is a powerhouse when it comes to delivering nuanced and emotional voices, making it a popular choice for storytelling, audiobooks, and any expressive voiceover work. Next, there's 11 Flash V2.5, which is 50% cheaper. This blend is optimized for real-time interactions, providing a rich, natural tone. However, it's slightly more neutral compared to the multilingual model, something to keep in mind depending on your project needs. Then we have 11 Turbo V2.5, also 50% cheaper. This model is tailored for developers prioritizing speed in voice generation. While it maintains clarity and a natural sound, it doesn't dive as deeply into emotional expression. Following that, there's 11 Turbo V2. Another cost-effective choice designed specifically for English. Like its turbo counterpart, it focuses on low latency and efficiency rather than delivering deep emotions. Another option is 11 Flash V2, English only, which also offers a 50% reduction in cost. It excels in ultra-low latency and real-time interactions, making it great for scenarios where you need the voice to sound conversational and swiftly responsive. And lastly, we have the 11 English V1, which was the first model introduced by Elevenlabs. It's a basic option offering foundational voice generation capabilities, but lacks advanced emotional depth. Now, the key here is to select the model that aligns most closely with your particular needs. Feel free to experiment with different settings within these models to achieve the specific emotional expression you're going for in your AI-generated voice. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced your Elevenlabs voice with a touch of natural emotion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.